Alofa, what's up, freshies? My name is Johnny. You'll be hanging out with us here at Brown Pride in South Auckland. Got a whole bunch of freshness coming your way. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on.
I'm Sandy.
And I'm Hales.
And this is Read My Lips.
Fun.
Alofa fresh, and welcome to the grand opening of Panikeke West.
Panikeke is a Pacific Island beauty shop. We have a whole range from beauty products, jewelry, accessories, and fashion, all inspired by the Pacific.
Let's go.
Now that's what you call a Harry Potter reference, point. Gryffindor. That's the same one. You said what?
Alofa, I'm Don Opeloge. I'm from Bawala. I'm 24 years old now. Bila uola ngay Bawala, sa uola may na kayo. Makalawa umakuha sa uao ngay Abel College. Na ve lo nga masing kamakaalo le lakapi sa join le lakapi halwa wa ave lo ma kam sisi nga wa nay wa ofi le sisi kong wa nga kemia ola kiki sa wa ia o kwa fa finge mau angko se sa sisi ya o nga o amakalo nga le o fai lo sa we e fa wa le kaling kom fai ave fe ma pe o la ko Vela como kaka sisi ma ofea ia pe yo ansi ma anko vai aku sa choinia oela anko au sa wa alua piki melo con le team Samoa. It was a good experience your uncles and aunties sa sisi la con kaka pingau kaka pamaong le kalengi foi au avea la kuma kaka alu o ma pe yo la ko.
Man, I'm so fresh, ain't worry about none. Man, I'm so fresh, ain't worry about tax. You can find my fossil, dig in the dirt. Care for the mud like diamond dust.
Alo first medal from the Youth Commonwealth Games here, bronze medal. When I got the medals, was so unique, it's new for me because ese foi ka feelings mai le ke me ka kele I fai ave ka ikamas ka makale inga wa mawari medal so ngakele aim mafau I want to be more gold medal. Ole gold medal special one ole my Commonwealth Games long fire preliminary. Kele for your number one my CCE safa yang mako kawa. Yeah, from now, le kauwanga makule qualification for Olympic in Saudi Arabia. It's a lot of hard work. Le fapia 1 year kung faila yung faila. Alia mo le 5 years, but no rest. Mo kulang place 8 mali top le World Championship. Faya me ya kwai lunga wale. Moi Olympic. Our motivate as our coach. Yeah. Is push hard mayangaya mako aim for your low aim awale mafu ang mafai ngai training. Advice for them keep training le lako aim so ma faongala ko kupulang kalavo ya kung fai pesela ko sawa wala ko lang kalavo ma avea fila ko mas ka inga ko ngala ko aing.
Alofa, my name is Reed.
I'm Reed's husband, Sky.
And today we're giving you tips on dating from the early stages. Our first tip for today is be yourself. I think it's important to be your truest, authentic self because the person you're dating needs to know who you really are. There's no point putting your best foot forward, your best clothes forward, or like any of that stuff because they need to know the real you in order to love the real you.
And our next tip is set your intentions early. Don't try and, beat around the bush about what you want to do. Just be real from the get. As a man, you just got to do it.
And our next tip is look out for those red flags. First red flag, liars. If you know that they're lying in the early stages, just that person's still finding themselves.
The main red flag is expecting to be praised for the bare minimum. So, your partner's asking for a ride and you're at home playing the game, get off the game, go pick up your partner. And our next tip is to set boundaries early. Set boundaries early to protect yourself, but also to be able to protect your partner as well.
And our last tip is don't be so hard on yourself if it doesn't work. Obviously, not all things happen straight away, and obviously the first or second person, sometimes you're just not compatible.
Thank you for listening to our tips on dating in the early stages. Sincerely,
from the experts. Psych.
Welcome back, fam. If you didn't know, we also have a barber shop here at Brown Pride. So, Don, if you need a haircut, hit me up. We've got some more freshness on the way, so stay tuned.
Do you know what?
You know what I'm saying.
Gee, open your mouth.
It's like everything. Yeah, it's like a Pacific Kmart. You have everything. Tablecloths, everything, not just attire.
Welcome back, family and friends. We're here at Brown Pride in South Auckland. Gonna take a trip out west to see the new Panikeke store. Then after that, come back and you'll see Sam V and Hales on Read My Lips. Let's go, let's go. Nice.
Alofa fresh and welcome to the grand opening of Panikeke West.
We are here for the grand opening of Panikeke.
Alofa Fresh. I'm Keith Toma and welcome to Panikeke West. So Panikeke is a Pacific Island beauty shop. We have a whole range from beauty products, jewelry, accessories and fashion, all inspired by the Pacific, but giving that modern flair.
It's like everything. Yeah, it's like a Pacific Kmart. You have everything. Tablecloths, everything, not just attire, but everything. Bags.
Yeah.
We've chosen West Auckland to kind of finally fulfill our customers' wishes.
Yeah, you got one south side, now you got one west side, so, one on each end, so it's cool, it's good.
So I started Panikeke at the Otara Flea Market, really trying to find what is Panikeke and how does this brand look for my people.
I was there from day one when Keith started off at the markets and flea markets. He started off with just soaps, went from that to pop-up shops, and then shops, and our third one.
What makes Panikeke special is everything is designed by me and the Panikeke team. It's all about bringing the Pacific right back here in New Zealand. I think my biggest advice is definitely be authentic and true to who you are, to what your main goal is. I think having a vision and just having a plan. Thank you guys for coming to the grand opening of our new Panikeke West shop. Hopefully I see you soon. Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Good on, boys and girls. In case you didn't know, I'm Sammy.
And I'm Hales.
And this is Read My Lips.
A game where we have to guess what the other person is saying by observing their lip movements.
Let's start it.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Do you have the time?
Do you know what I'm saying?
Do you know what?
You know what I'm saying.
Gee, open your mouth.
Do you know what I'm saying? Fundamental. Fundamental.
Go, maybe I sit back more like space, so reveal your mouth.
Fundamental.
Dude, I'm just getting lost in your eyes, brother. One more time.
Fun.
Five.
Caesar salad. Caesar salad.
Something island?
Nope. Caesar.
Sita Star.
Caesar.
City Star. Me.
The one, the lonely.
The one cookie.
The one,
The one.
the lonely.
The one, the lonely.
Cookie Irani. Cookie.
Cookie Irani.
Rarotonga.
Rarotonga.
Yeah.
Wow, so good. What's the score for that? Like perfect A. Jack can't read his mouth. It's like, you know, I need you to open up, be more vulnerable with your mouth movements. Pop music.
Pop music. Yeah.
Otara.
Otara. Yeah.
Yeah. Pacific Music Awards.
The Pacific Music Awards.
Young, Gifted, and Brown.
Oh, Young, Gifted, and Brown. I'm changing careers, bro. I'm gonna read lips.
What's for lunch?
What's
For
for
lunch.
What's for lunch?
Yeah. So I'm making it hard now. Say,
What? Babe.
Susan,
What?
Susan,
Let's do it. Yeah.
Western Guide. Western Guide.
Western Guide. Wow, this is too good, eh?
Shut up. I helped you.
No, you didn't.
Hey, it takes two to tango.
Bro.
I want a different partner next time. He's fired. I want someone with a bigger mouth.
You just suck.
And the winner of this series of Read My Lips is Hale.
Congratulations, Hales, on a very impressive victory. Unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, fortunately. But I've been Sam V.
I'm Hales.
And this was Read My Lips.
Sup fam, gonna take a quick break, gonna go for a quick spin class, but we've got a lot more freshness coming your way, so make sure you come back. See you soon.
So this is a game where two teams battle it head-to-head in 2 mini-game rounds. The one who wins the most games wins it all, but if we somehow tiebreaker at the end, we go to a sudden death.
I'm your lady.
Wait,
Siren. On a siren.
On a siren.
On a siren. Siren on the bike.
Welcome back, family and friends. Next up, we have the Village Knockout with Rocky. Today, we have Samoa versus American Samoa. Who's gonna win? Pop, 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 pop.
Alo O Kia ora na, Bola Vanaka, and welcome to Village Knockout! is a game where two teams battle it head-to-head in 2 mini-game rounds. The one who wins the most games wins it all, but if we somehow tiebreaker at the end, we go to a sudden death. Dun, dun, dun. Without further ado, let us meet our contestants for today.
Alo O watching the show Samoa. We are from Samoa, and I'm a dancer.
Alo O, my name is James, and I have no voice. Alo O, my name is Enric, representing Pango Pango, and I like long walks on the beach.
Alo O, my name is 2S4 from Pango, and I love to drink chocolate milk.
Oh, no vanilla, chocolate. Okay, round 1 is called Wrap It Up. In this game, each player raps a line, and the next player begins their line with the last 2 words of the previous line. What's the BPM you want?
Medium.
Yeah. Medium.
Yes,
perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Late night cruising, I'm going on a drive.
I'm going on a drive with my wife.
Got.
Hey, it's all right. That is 1 point to Team Samoa. Are we ready? I'll slow down the beat. Nah, let's keep it normal.
Let's go. I thought I'd be long, but I was wrong.
But I was wrong, and then I thought.
Then I thong on the King Kong. On the King Kong, that's why I'm rapping this song.
I'm rapping this song because I'm from Hong Kong.
Because I'm from Hong Kong, I got the tongs.
I got the tongs to get the wrongs.
Get the... Second point goes to Samoa. So we have 2, and you're yet to be on the scoreboard, but it's all right.
Don't worry.
Chilling from Moana, we all from the Pacific.
We all from the Pacific. Oh, it's so horrific.
Oh, it's so horrific. Damn, it's terrific.
Damn, it's terrific. I'm gonna cricket. I'm gonna cricket 64 on a rific.
64 on the rific. Wow, this specific.
No, that was
Okay, so what happened?
You messed it up. Yeah, man, you lost your breath.
Because Samoa has gotten 3-0, they can't really come back from that. So that means the winner for round 1 is Samoa. And round 2 is a game that I like to call a pop-off. Round of applause. In this game, I will place an object in front of the contestants. They are then to try and create the object in whatever way they see fit, except for its intended use. Done. Go!
Nice.
Guitar, point. Nice.
Point.
Fishing rod, point. I like.
So how do you think this game show is going tonight?
Point.
Oh, it's going great, man. It's going great.
To press, I like point.
Go.
It's like putting it in your mouth, eh? Here, press, point.
Ahoy there!
And there's a telescope, there's a point. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, trumpet, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the second object. Go! And he jumped to the
Sorry,
first
bring
one.
your bike. Flip the switch. And I'm your lady.
Siren.
Wait, what are you on about?
Siren. What is siren?
What is siren?
On my bike. My siren on the bike.
Half a point. Oh, yeah. Yes, what's point?
Let's go.
Now that's what you call a Harry Potter reference. Point.
Gryffindor.
That's the same one.
Bonus point. Wait.
20 seconds left. Oh, we already had this.
Yes.
Point. Use the telescope. Point.
Come on.
3.
It's okay.
2.
Yeah, man. It's looking good, mate.
Oh, yeah. Side around. This is the prop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Oh, boom, Mike. Point. 20 seconds left. This is the 5th guitar. We've seen at this prop off.
Get off.
I will not accept it. No point. No more doing the ones we did before.
Oh.
You're so lonely. That's a point.
Come on.
Ile mamalo mo na pa
Yes.
9. Oh, that's the point. Five, 4, 3, point. Last 5 seconds.
Everybody come in, let's take a selfie.
Yeah! That is a point. Well done, ladies and gentlemen.
That was so much.
Today's winners is Samoa.
Let's go!
Come and take your prize. Thank you. Team. Join us next week as we have another round of Village Knockout. Let's go!
Sadly, our time has come to an end. Just want to say a massive thank you for kicking back with us here at Brown Pride in South Auckland. It's been a pleasure and honor to have you here. But before we finish, just wanted to wish all the best to all the Pasifika athletes that'll be over in Paris for the Olympics. Until next time, keep it fresh. Let's go.
Malombula. My name is Venice, here in the heart of Suva. We have a whole lot of freshness coming up for you.
Here we are in the heart of Takapuna. We have the beachside cinemas over here, we have the shopping centre and the bridge down here, and we have the Sunday markets over here.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. Yeah.
For the people, by the people. For the people.
For the people, by the people. For the people, by the people. Ah, this is too easy.